Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I uploaded. So today we're going to work on my fog lights. I received some stuff from LAMIN. So let's install this tent out. Come on. Okay, so let's open it up. Fog light covers. So you got the yellow one. So these are cut to the 2018 Toyota CHR. So if you can see, there's some tabs in here which you can actually hold while you're putting it in place. So come on, I'll show you. Let's install them out. Okay, so make sure that you wipe this one out clean. So I already wipe it with alcohol. Just make sure it's clean so that the tint will actually adhere. I'll do a dry application because I have a curved fog light. So if you have like flat type fog light, you can actually use a wet application on it. Alright, so let me just get the tint. Let's open it up. Okay, so here's the tint. So we're going to install it in there. So make sure you wipe it down with alcohol to make sure there's no oil on the lens itself. So there's some tabs in here. So let me just sample. Okay. So let's peel this one up. I'm gonna use the tabs to hold it. And if I can put it in there. It's gonna start from the middle, then just push it. It's moldable, so it will have some air bubbles on it, but they said that will be released. I think I'm gonna cut the tabs out. Yeah, I'll cut them out. Just work on the air bubbles from the middle out. But according to them, their bubbles will disappear a couple of days, so it should be fine. Let me just grab some cutter to cut those tabs out and some trim panel stuff. Okay, I'm back. So I'm just gonna cut the tabs. Hope I don't mess them up. And I can just push them like that. Okay. So I think I'm just gonna push them. Yep, I'm just gonna push them inside. There you go. So now you just have to work pushing this the edge. So I'm just using this one. It's an opening tool, but it doesn't scratch. Okay, so and there you have it. So I'll turn it on. Wait. Okay, so that looks nice. So compare it to the white one. Side by side comparison. So yellow one definitely, it's nice. Okay, so just do the same on the other side. I'll show you a little bit and I'll show you some comparison or on the road. Alright.